Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach. Aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Friday, April 3rd, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. We had some killer trades today. We banged the NASDAQ for a killer short. We got one long in the ES, made a little bit, and we were a little bit leery of it to begin with. We weren't expecting a whole lot. We were really trying to focus on shorts, and we hit the shorts on the ES several times, made money on every single one, and the reason we kept hitting it is because we were looking for a bigger move, which we finally got, and then we closed the room and the market's still going down. So just a great day today. Again, we're going to come back on Monday and do it all over again, but let me recap you here real quick on what we did. We got short on the NASDAQ on the 10-18 candle, 92.75, and we just rode that baby all the way down. I told everybody if they got below 85, they were going to go at least to 71. Below 71, we had lower targets. In fact, these circles, we had 60, and then we had this target down here, which actually was hit for anybody who held through this chop and was looking for those lower targets. And it was boom, boom. So again, trade went, you could have gotten whatever you wanted. It never really looked back until it got down a couple hundred ticks and, went much further than that. So just a great trade, no heat, instant profits, and great way to trade the NASDAQ there. Now in the ES, we had an S play. And we did get long on it. I wasn't really that excited about it, but you can't argue with the market. It looks like it's going to be strong. Figured we'd be good for 2 or 3 points at a minimum, even if it didn't follow through. And that's exactly what happened. Got long down in the ES around 17.18. It went up to 20.75, so we got a couple points there. Some people waited and got lower at 16 quarter. But other people were in a little bit higher, around 17.50, 18. So anywhere from 2, 3, 3.5 points, and you're in a free trade, and boom, doesn't follow through from there, which is fine. After that, we were looking all shorts. Like I said, we hit the NASDAQ, which is right here, the equivalent in the ES. We did not continue to hit the NASDAQ there because we hit the ES. We had different signals. And, again, we pounded that thing a couple times. First time we got short, this is at the 88.75 level, 10.39 candle, and we hit it again at the 10.45 candle. Again, it only made a couple points the first time. The second time it went from 88.75, it went 4 points, okay, on the 10.45 candle. Then when it pulled up to the 10.48 candle, we literally hit this thing 4 or 5 times, 93.75, and that went down for 3-4 points. Hit it again, and then it went down on the 10.57 candle. It went down about 6 points, and then we finally banged it one last time here, and that's when it really took off. And I told everybody what to expect on this, but we were basically looking for this target here at a minimum 75 to 78, and then below there we had lower targets, which it never got to while we were in the room, but they did get hit. But here, this final one we hit, and that went from 88.75, it went about 13 points. And again, it went much lower, but it never came back up over our entry. But just on that initial push there, it was some really good points. So we're going to come back on Monday. We're going to do it all over again. I hope everybody has a great week, and I hope everybody's safe. Try to keep that COVID away. As most of us are on lockdown here, but check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. If you have any questions, use the contact form, and we look forward to seeing you in the room. Bye, traders. Have a great weekend.